Alright guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to host your React application on GitHub totally free. So GitHub has recently updated or added an npm package called GitHub Pages through which we are able to host React applications on GitHub. So we will explore the same in this video. So here I have a React application, which is a simple resume application. So I've run this and it's running on post 3000. So I have it in my browser over here. So this is my React application. So it has all of my projects, whatever work experience and other details. So I'm going to host this React application on GitHub for free. So let us start. So first things first, we will need a GitHub account. So make sure you have a GitHub account, and GitHub Pages is available for every account. So if you just have a GitHub account, you will be able to use GitHub Pages. You need not buy premium or pro version of it. So let's create a repository, and I will do that from VS Code. You can do it from GitHub directly also. So over here in my source control, I will give it a message called init because it is my first commit. Also, we will do it publish on branch, and we will call this my name. And you can either keep it private or public. It works on both the cases. So I will do a private repository, and just let's wait for GitHub to complete pushing the code. So yes, GitHub has pushed the code. So let us open GitHub and see if it's pushed. Yes. So here we have our code. So now to get it started with React application, the first thing that we'll have to do is install certain packages. So let me take a new terminal over here. And over here, we will have to install one package. So we do npm I. I have it in my notepad over here, and I'll be adding this to the description also. So let me just delete this and install this. So we will be saving this as a developer module or a developer package. So let's wait till this is done. And let me open my Explorer. Let me minimize all of these folders which I'll be not using right now. Yes. So once this is installed, let me go back to my, yeah. So this is where my GitHub server is hosted. So here we will have to open package.json, close this. And in our package.json, within our debug scripts, we will have to add two more scripts. So I have these over here. So let me just copy these. And in our debug, just add a comma. And we will paste this over here. And let me hit save. After doing this, we will also require adding the home page. So which is this. So let me just copy this. And right after your browser list, you'll have to add it before dependencies. So your home page, and we will have to change this. So here I will give my username as well as my repository name. So let me go over here and select my username. So here we will paste my username, and we will also take my repository name. Yes. So I've pasted my username as well as repository name. Now let us push this code again, and we will give it a message of GitHub pages. Yes. So let me commit this, and we will sync the changes. So now we will deploy this application. So let me open my terminal, and we'll go to the new terminal that I had opened over here. So we will do npm run, and we will have to run this script. So we will run deploy. So what deploy does, it builds this application and then pushes it with GitHub pages, the npm package that we had installed earlier. Let me run this, and you all can see it over here. When I hit this, a new package or a new folder called build will be created. So this might take some time. So while this is being done, I encourage you to check out our channel. So we have multiple videos on Node.js and how to build a CRUD application with it. So the link to that will be over here in the cards as well as in the description. Also, we have how to host a normal website on GitHub for free. So you can check that too. I will add it in the description as well as in the cards over here. So here it says it is creating an optimized build. So let us wait for this to be done. I will fast forward this process to the part where this project is being built. So here our project is being built and it tells us that we can control this from our homepage field which we have added in our package.json, this field. So let me just go to my browser and to my GitHub repository. So we have to configure the GitHub pages from here right now. So here you can see that we have no deployments. So let me go to settings, pages, and over here we can see that our branch is automatically set to GitHub pages. If it is not, you'll have to set it over here and save this. And if you'll have a custom domain or the domain that you have bought, you can add it over here and save this. So your GitHub page will be loaded with your custom domain. So let me go to my resume application. Yes. So here we can see that we have deployment as well as GitHub pages available here right now. So this will take certain time, some time for it to build, and then in the background it will be building it. And once it's done, you will get the deployment over here as well as GitHub pages, and it will tell you how long it has been since you've deployed it. So it's right now. And let me open this. So we have just one build which we have done. So that's this build. So let me open it. Right. So here I have my resume application which is hosted on GitHub for free. So here I have this URL which can be shared. So let me copy this and let's open a new incognito tab, a new private window. Let me paste it over here to verify. Yes. So even it's opening over here and my entire application is hosted with all the functionalities. Yes. All the scrolling, everything is available over here. So this is how we host a React app on GitHub for free. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and comment and also share it with your friends who are building React applications and let them know that they can host their websites on GitHub for free. So that's all for this video. Thank you.